Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you on how to fix can't follow account on TikTok. So I have 4 ways for you to do to fix that problem. So the first thing is to check if your TikTok application is updated. So go to your Play Store and then see for any updates. So since our TikTok application is updated, we don't need that anymore. So the second way is to check our internet connection if we are using the right cellular data or our Wi-Fi connection. Okay, that is very one of the very important things to consider. Now, the third way is to clear the cache of the application. So to do that, go to your phone settings and then go to apps and then click on manage apps. Now, look for the TikTok application. Okay, scroll down, and there you have it. Now, click on the clear data option at the bottom right corner of your screen in order to clear the cache of your TikTok. Okay, so the fourth way is to uninstall and reinstall your TikTok application. So just download a TikTok application again to have a fresh feature of your TikTok application. So right after doing that way, you can check, open your TikTok application, then try following someone if the 4 ways that I have taught you is working. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.